Yo, what is up, shorties? Today we're gonna be making the most delicious chocolate lava cake. So I'm gonna throw up what you need on the screen and feel free to stop and screenshot. Now let's get down to business. We're gonna start off with the 6 molds, snap. We're gonna cover those with butter. Then you wanna add a teaspoon of cocoa powder and then just cover the sides with cocoa powder like I'm doing. Don't worry if your molds look like someone didn't wipe that day, but trust me, that's what they're supposed to look like. Once you're done, smack them in the fridge. And if you make a mess, it doesn't matter. But I need to clean it because I have issues. Cutting board, chocolate. The knife is dropping on the bar, but that's just knife talk. Then you want to get your pot. No man, not this one. Just drop the chocolate in. Now drop the 150 G's of butter and enjoy it. Boil the water. Now drop the pot. And guys, can we please all agree how huge this spatula is? I'm pretty sure everyone can support, especially men. Keep mixing until the butter is gone.
Just like our exes.
So we're gonna need 2 eggs. 3? 3 eggs. Unfortunately, you'll have to break the eggs, you know? Just like she broke your heart. Add a pinch of salt, freestyle that shit if you need to. Start whisking, and this is the texture that we're going for. Get your flour. This one says exotic, and please nobody get this word tattooed. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Start flicking your wrists. Just don't flick too hard, because I f***ed up over here. Once you're done, pour the chocolate in and start mixing. Just mix. Just keep mixing. And make sure to get every f***ing last drop.
This is the texture.
Remember those lonely molds? Take them out. Pour your chocolate into the molds. God damn. Okay, now set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Not 200, not 175. 180. Slide these into the oven just like every guy slides into your crush's DMs while you just like her stories. So we're gonna leave them in for like 7 to 9 minutes. Way longer than any of us can last. Now what you want to do is get your $100 gourmet vanilla ice cream. Look at that. Scoop it delicately. And now drop and enjoy, shorty. Sahteen. I know, you're sad the video's over. But please feel free to subscribe. Like this video or even drop me a comment down below. Whatever you want to do. See you in the next videos, habibtis. Later.